Important. Not every tube may be used for automatic insertion with sample case. A general rule is that your tube must not exceed 9 inches in total, including the cup. When the tube is set to a required depth in a spinner with a depth gauge, the top part must not exceed 97.5 mm. If your tube is 9 inches or shorter, it will safely fit under this limit. This tube is 9.5 inches and it is too long to fit in this changer. The sample case has a sensor arm that will be pressed by the tube that is too long. This is a safety device to halt the changer before any damage may occur. As soon as the extra long tube pushes the arm, the changer stops. Now I have to push down the red button to disable the changer. Next, to free my tube, I need to push the red arm to the right and take my tube out. I pull the red button up to restart the changer and acknowledge a dialog box on the workstation. Important: you can never do this. Sure, the tube now fits under the arm, but it also extends much longer than allowed below the spinner and will be broken by a shuttle. If I put it back in a depth gauge, here is how wrong the depth is. Bottom line, this tube is too long. With a tube this long, we need to use a manual insertion technique discussed in a separate section.